qualitative or quantitative. So for this time, tutuloy na po natin yung chapter 3. Sa 25 individuals, dapat meron din tayong basis kung ilan ba yung interviewin natin. So ang pinakamababa according to him is 5. Okay? Sources of data. In reviewing related literature and studies needed to provide an in-depth background and meaningful answers to the research problems, ito yung pwedeng gamitin gaya ng books, periodicals, online. Participants of the study. The participants of the study will consist of 5 young street vendors who have experience working and selling goods in the streets of city of San Pedro, Laguna. The participants are selected utilize for post-poll criterion sampling. Criterion sampling. Sa madaling salita, may mga criteria po na inilatag or sinet yung mga researchers kung sino po yung i-interviewin nila. Pero in this case, aalamin mo na yung mga pagkakapare-pareho nila base sa criteria sinet ng researchers. Data gathering procedure. After the validation of research instrument, the researchers will follow or followed the data gathering procedure advised by Creswell 2007. Una raw, select the participants. With the help of young street vendors in San Pedro, Laguna, mamimili tayo. Next, establishing rapport. Pag sinabi pong ganito, kailangan hindi naman agad i-interviewin without establishing rapport o kailangan magkapalagayang loob muna kayo kasi mas masasabi niyo yung nararamdaman po. Interview schedule will be or were set. Depende po kung bago pa lang po yung pag-aaral o tapos na. Kaya po meron tayong future tense saka past tense. Then actual one-on-one interviews will be or were conducted.